Well, girls, 2-0 so far. Good start to the season. You must be happy where things are going so far? Or?
Yeah.
What's so special about this team so far?
I think this year we've definitely had really good team chemistry, and that helps to trust each other more, and we play really well together when we trust each other, so it's really nice to have that team bonding.
Your thoughts so far this season?
It's been fun for sure. I'm excited to work, then get back after spring break. We'll have some more competitive games, and it'll be fun.
And Joy, this is the second year for coach, right?
Third as
year.
head coach, yeah.
You guys are probably more accustomed to what you expect from her now. Do you feel like this is a stronger team because the coach has been here a couple of years, or?
Yeah.
How's she helped you as a coach?
She's known us forever, so she knows like our weaknesses and our strengths and like how we can improve on them. So.
And goal for the rest of the season. What's your goal as the season continues here? You guys have a goal in mind, or?
We just want to have
fun, win as many
hard,
as we can.
Yeah, as far as we can this season.
Do you sense a different mentality with the team? And it seems like you guys are winning now, and maybe a different mentality. Or is that good? Or?
Yeah, no, it's more intense. We play faster at practice, better team chemistry. We're just working really hard.